Ho there, curious explorers! Did you know our world is full of the coolest surprises? Raindrops aren't shaped like teardrops, they're actually round, like tiny bouncing balls. Some frogs can freeze solid in winter and wake up again in spring. Penguins don't just waddle, they slide on their bellies for fun. Bees talk to each other by dancing, that's how they tell where the flowers are. And sea otters, they hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart. Isn't nature full of love and wonder? Keep exploring and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.